Aging is an inevitable part of life, but what if there was a way to slow down the process and maintain our youthful vigor? Recent research suggests that metformin, a drug widely used for managing type 2 diabetes, may hold the key to unlocking anti-aging benefits. With potential effects on glucose metabolism, inflammation reduction, and even extending lifespan in animal studies, this seemingly miraculous medication has piqued the interest of aging experts worldwide. Metformin is primarily used to treat type 2 diabetes as it can lower blood sugar levels by reducing glucose production in the liver and improving insulin sensitivity. But improved glucose control also plays an essential role in anti-aging benefits. By taking metformin, people with diabetes can reduce their risk of developing age-related diseases such as heart disease and cancer. In addition, better glucose control reduces the likelihood of experiencing complications associated with poor glycemic management like diabetic neuropathy or retinopathy. Studies have shown that even healthy individuals without diabetes who take metformin have decreased fasting insulin resistance, a measure of how sensitive one's body is at responding to insulin, resulting in less fat accumulation around vital organs like the liver and pancreas, which are implicated in systemic metabolic dysregulation related with aging over time. Metformin has been shown to have anti-inflammatory effects that can benefit the body in numerous ways. Inflammation is a natural response to injury or infection, but chronic inflammation is known to contribute to many age-related diseases such as osteoporosis, Alzheimer's disease, and cardiovascular disease. By reducing inflammation in the body, metformin has the potential to prevent these types of diseases from developing or slowing their progression. In one study involving obese individuals with type 2 diabetes, taking metformin for 6 months significantly reduced levels of C-reactive protein, CRP, which is a marker of systemic inflammation. Another study showed that patients with rheumatoid arthritis who took metformin had lower levels of inflammatory markers compared to those who did not take it. Animal studies have shown that metformin has the potential to increase lifespan. In one study, researchers found that nematodes treated with metformin lived longer than the control group. The same effect was observed in other animals such as fruit flies and mice. One particular study on male mice found that those who were given a high dose of metformin had a 5% increase in lifespan compared to the control group. This reinforces the idea that there may be a link between health span and longevity. Metformin has been shown to improve the function of mitochondria, which are essential powerhouses in our cells that generate energy. As we age, mitochondrial function declines, leading to an accumulation of toxic byproducts and oxidative damage. Studies have found that metformin can increase the number of healthy mitochondria and stimulate their production through a process called mitophagy. This means that cells can dispose of damaged or dysfunctional mitochondria and replace them with new ones. Moreover, better mitochondrial function could translate into improved energy utilization in the body. In one study on obese individuals with metabolic syndrome who were taking metformin for 12 weeks showed significant improvements in their physical fitness and endurance capacity compared to those taking a placebo pill. Metformin may be associated with a decreased risk of certain cancers, such as breast cancer, bladder cancer, and colorectal cancer. Studies also demonstrated decreased cancer risk and improved mortality rates amongst people with type 2 diabetes on metformin. Future studies are needed to fully understand the potential anti-aging effects of metformin. For instance, researchers are interested in exploring how different doses of metformin can impact lifespan and health span. Additionally, trials investigating the use of metformin as a preventative measure against age-related diseases such as cancer and Alzheimer's disease are ongoing. Researchers will also need to determine if there are any long-term risks associated with taking metformin for extended periods, particularly in healthy individuals without diabetes. It is important to note that metformin should not be taken solely for anti-aging purposes and that there are potential side effects and risks. However, the role of metformin as an anti-aging drug is still being studied, with promising results in animal studies and clinical trials.